Sir Mark, for our students naman, for our scholars, we know Sir Mark as one of the people in tech and DOST SEI. So I want to know what would you say to students waiting for their big break in tech?
The best advice that I could give you is to actually just continue learning. Huwag kayong mapagod na mag-aral. If you do have time to actually read books kasi the books are experience ng mga author na inaaral nila ng mahabang taon, but you would learn it in days or maybe hours. Ganun siya ka-compress na knowledge. And of course, don't lose hope kasi definitely naniniwala ako that for every person, there is an opportunity waiting for you.